guys, I'm back. It's so hot outside. But today I'm gonna be trying out Tara Yummy makeup since you guys asked for it, and you know I'm here to give you guys what you want. So anyway, let's just get into it. Okay, first I'm gonna start with some foundation. She doesn't use foundation, but she uses skin tint, but I don't have skin tint, so I'm gonna use foundation. Okay, next I'm gonna use some concealer. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with some blush. Next I'm gonna add some bronzer, trust the process. Okay, next I'm gonna add some highlight. I'm gonna add some powder because I need it. Okay, next I'm gonna move on to the eyeshadow. I'm literally sweating. It's like so hot today. Okay, next we're gonna move on to eyeliner, which is like the main part. She uses liquid eyeliner, but I have powder. So yeah, I'm gonna do this off camera. Okay guys, here's the eyeliner. I cannot do eyeliner, but she goes into some black eyeshadow like under her eyes. I'm gonna do that. And now I'm gonna do my waterline. Mascara. Lip liner. Lipstick. I'm gonna add some more concealer. I had to bring out my fan. I'm gonna blend my concealer. Okay, I'm gonna add some more blush. Okay, setting spray. Okay guys, here's the makeup. I tried my best. The eyeliner is a little crazy. Anyways, thanks for watching this tutorial. Hopefully I didn't do too bad. I tried my best with this look. Anyways, thanks for watching and keep up for more.